In this question, you have to identify the region of the globe that exhibits highest species diversity. Option A, Himalayas. This is incorrect. The Himalayas are definitely considered a biodiversity hotspot for its unique species due to the varied climate as well as the altitudinal range. But the cold, harsh weather at high altitudes and the rough terrain limit the number of species. Option B, Amazon forests. Now, the Amazon rainforest is the region with the highest species diversity on Earth, and it is home to approximately 10% of all known species, including plants, animals, fungi, as well as microorganisms. And the Amazon's tropical climate, the dense forest cover, and the vast area provide ideal conditions for species richness. So it includes millions of insect species, over 2000 species of fishes, more than 1300 species of birds, and thousands of mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, Western Ghats of India. Now, the Western Ghats of India are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the hottest hotspot of biological diversity. The Western Ghats are definitely very rich in endemic species, particularly amphibians, reptiles, plants, but their species diversity is still lower than Amazon. Hence, it is incorrect. Option D, Madagascar. Now, Madagascar is also renowned for its unique biodiversity, with over 90% of the wildlife being endemic. And it is an isolated island that has evolved species found nowhere else in the world, such as lemurs, then chameleons, and many species of plants. But Madagascar species diversity is still lower than that of Amazon, mainly because it is an island with a more limited ecosystem. Hence, this is incorrect.